Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Garden. I'm Moses. This is going to be a product review of the Defami sitting stool for gardeners. A couple of weeks ago, they reached out to me, the company. They saw some of my videos and wanted me to do a product review of their gardening chair for gardeners. So here it is. Out of the box, we have another box. And inside of it, let's get a knife to open it. There we go. We have an extra kneeling pad. Gloves. Instructions to put it together. Okay. To sit on it, I can do it like this. And we have the two handles that slide in. And we have the accessory bags that hang over on the side like this. And another one here. So I could take the gloves and stick them in here. I can take gardening shears and stick it in here. On this side, I could put my hori. Very useful. Okay, this says that it will support up to 350 pounds. There's no way in the world that I'm that heavy, but I'm going to show you what it looks and feels like to sit on in a minute. I'm sitting on it. It's comfortable as far as chairs go. It's supporting my back. I just found a worm on my plant, but that worm is no more. So this will allow me to sit and pick vegetables like my peppers that are here, or admire how my pumpkin is growing here. But very comfortable. It's secure, it's sturdy. If I was going to do some clipping, I could reach down and grab my bag. I'm sorry, reach down and grab my nippers, and I could snip off whatever I was going to snip off. So I think this is good. I like it. Let's see how it does for kneeling. Okay, if you needed to kneel, you could do so pretty easily, and you could get back up pretty easily. So it's pretty good, especially for those of us that have problems with our knees or backs or anything like that. This is going to be helpful in the garden. So far, I think it's a good thing. Okay, with this, it will allow you to stand on it. The maximum weight is 250 pounds, so you could stand on it and reach items that are higher or taller than you with no problem. So if I wanted to put it away, I just simply remove the pouches. And there's a bar here that I squeeze. One folds. I squeeze the other one here, and it folds. And it's easy and simple to put away. Overall, my impressions of this are pretty good. As a kneeler, if you're using this, it's going to save your knees and not put it as much pressure on your knees. And if you're like me and you have a injured knee to begin with, it's a game changer and will help reduce the pain. If you need to reach higher items, earlier I did a video with me on a step ladder for my cucumbers, and I asked you all not to laugh at me because I had to stand on the step ladder. Well, I can also stand on this to reach my cucumbers if my cucumbers were here. It's versatile. You can use it for other chores. If you are sitting down repairing something, you could sit on it and repair without having to stand up. So that's a good thing as well. I like the fact too that it comes with pouches, and you could put refreshments, other tools that you're going to be working in the garden with, fertilizers, you name it, the possibilities are endless. And overall, it's a good product. If you're interested in purchasing it, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description portion of the video. I want to thank the company for reaching out for me. Again, the company is Deer Famy, Deerfamy, and they're on Amazon. Um, I have nothing but good things to say about it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I can't grow my channel without your help. If you're interested in any of the products that I use in the video, including the support stool, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or head over to my website and you can purchase them there for nominal fees. If you do subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a good amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time,